Hello students, I am Varshanikam from Pimpalgaon High School, Pimpalgaon Baswant. In last video, we have seen the concept surds and classification of like surds and unlike surds. Now today, we are going to learn comparing the pair of surds. Comparison of surds. Here, two surds of the same order can be compared by comparing the radicands. Let A and B are two positive real numbers. And if A is less than B, then A square is less than B square. If A is greater than B, then A square is greater than B square. And if A is equal to B, then A square is equal to B square. This is the comparison of surds. Then consider the examples in practice set 2.3. Question number 5. बघा मुलांनो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पर्यंत आपण मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये घेतलेले. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. कंपेअर द फॉलोइंग पेअर ऑफ सर्ड. In first example, 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. Compare these two surds. That means which surd is less or which surd is greater. Then how to solve this one? Here we know that if A is less than B, then A square is less than B square. And A is greater than B, then A square is greater than B square. And therefore here root 2 and root 3, these are not like surds. Therefore here the square of the 7 is 7 root 2 is equal to square of 7 is 49. That means the square of the 7 is 49 and square root of 49 is 7. Multiply root 2 is equal to root of 49 multiply 2 is equal to root of 98. And second surd is 5 root 3 is equal to, in square root, square of the 5 5 are 25 multiply root 3 is equal to, in root 25 multiply 3 is equal to root of 75. In this way, we know that 98 is greater than 75 and therefore root of 98 is greater than root of 75 and therefore 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. In this way, compare the pair of surds 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. Here 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. Again consider the next example. Suppose example number 5. In question number 5, 4 root of 42 and 9 root 2. Then the first number 4 root of 42 is equal to root of 4 4 is 16 multiply root of 42 is equal to, in root 16 multiply 42 is equal to 16 2 is 32, borrow is 3, 16 4 is 64 plus 3 is the 67, therefore 672. And the second number is 9 root 2 is equal to, in the square root 9 9 is 81 multiply root 2 is equal to 81 multiply 2 is equal to square root of 2 1 is 2, 8 2 is 16. Again here 672 is greater than 162 and therefore root of 672 is greater than root of 162 and therefore 4 root of 42 is greater than 9 root 2. In this way, comparing the surds, which is less or which is greater. Now next concept, there is the operations on like surds. Operations on like surds. Here mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be done on like surds. Then for these operations we solve some examples again in practice set 2.3. Then question number 6, simplify. First question, 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. In this question, simplify the surds, that means the addition of the two surds. 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. Here root 3 is common and remaining terms 5 plus 8 is equal to root 3 into 5 plus 8 is 13. But we can write here in this way, 13 root 3. This is answer. This is the addition of the two surds. Then second question, 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root of 125. Here in this question there is subtraction as well as addition. 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root of 125. Here root 5, these are the like surds. But root of 125 is not like surd. Therefore, 9 root 5 minus root 5 plus, then factor of the 125. Then which are the factors of 125? 25 multiply 5. 25 5s are 125 because one number is perfect square is equal to 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root of 25 multiply root of 5. Separate the two terms is equal to 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root of 25, its square root is 5 and this is the root 5. Then here root 5, these are the like surds. Therefore, root 5 is common, remaining terms 9 minus 4 plus 5 root 5. Root 5 is common, remaining terms write in the bracket. Therefore, 9 minus 4 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 root 5. This is answer. In this way, here the subtraction as well as addition. Again we consider one more example. Suppose example number in your practice set 4. Root 7 minus 3 upon 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. This is the 3 upon 5 is the fraction. फ्रॅक्शन ची आपण इथं सबट्रॅक्शन आणि ॲडिशन करून बघू आता. फ्रॅक्शन मीन्स अपूर्णांक नंबर. Here root 7 is the like surds. Therefore write down here its coefficient is 1 minus 3 upon 5 plus 2 in this bracket and root 7 is common. 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 3 upon 5 multiply root 7 is equal to cross multiplication here 5 3 is a 15 minus 3 5 3 is a 15 minus 3 1 is a 3 upon 5 root 7 is equal to 15 minus 3 is equal to 12 upon 5 root 7. In this way there is the some examples of addition and the subtraction. Then now next example, that means the some multiplication. Here question number 7, multiply of the following surds. First example, 3 root of 12 multiply root of 18. 3 root of 12 multiply root of 18 is equal to 3 multiply root of 12. Again factor of the 12 is 4 multiply 3. 4 3 is 12. Multiply here 18. 9 multiply 2. 9 2 is 18. Find the factor of 12 and factor of 18. 3 multiply root 4 means 2 root 3 and root 9 means 3 root 2. बघा इथे आता 4चं आपण स्क्वेअर रूट घेतलेलं आहे 2 आणि 9चं स्क्वेअर रूट घेतलेलं आहे 3. Therefore write down here in this way 3 multiply 2 root 3 multiply 3 root 2. Then 3 2 is 6. 6 3 is 18. In square root 3 multiply 2 3 2 is 6. This is the answer. Then this next example 3 root 12 multiply 7 root 15. Again here 3 multiply 4 3 is 12 multiply 7 multiply 5 3 is 15. Then 3 multiply square root of 4 is 2 root 3 multiply 7 multiply root 5 multiply root 3 is equal to 3 2 is 6 and 6 7 is 42. Multiply 3 and this 3 multiply root 5 is equal to 42 multiply root of 9 multiply root of 5. 42 multiply square root of 9 is 3 and root of 45. 3 2 is 6, 4 3 is 12, 126 root 5. This is answer. In this way here there is the multiplication of the two surds. Then question number 8. Division. Divide the following surds. Divide. First example root of 98 divide root of 2. This example write down in this way root of 98 divided by root of 2 is equal to root of 98 divided by 2. बघा आपण आता हे असं लिहिलं तरी चालतं. is equal to 2 4 is 8 1 there is the 18 then 2 9 is 18. सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करायचं 2 ने 98 ला डिवाइड करायचे 2 4 is 8 1 borrow then the 18 2 9 is 18 is equal to root of 49 square root of 49 is equal to 7. 7 is answer. Suppose next example, consider next example root of 125 divided by root of 50 is equal to, again write down in this way 125 divided by 50 is equal to, in root factor of the 125 25 multiply 5 25 5 is 125 divided by 25 2s are 50 then 25 25 get cancel in root 5 upon 2. This is answer. In this way we learn the operation on like surds, and next video we will see the rationalization of surds. Thank you.